Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The inhabitants of the Vaikuntha planets are described as having a glowing sky bluish complexion. Their eyes resemble lotus flowers, their dress is of yellowish colour, and their bodily features very attractive. They are just the age of growing youths. They all have 4 hands, they are all nicely decorated with pearl necklaces with ornamental medallions, and they all appear to be effulgent. The inhabitants in Vaikunth-lok are all personalities with spiritual bodily features not to be found in the material world. We can find the descriptions in the revealed scriptures like Srimad Bhagwatam. Impersonal descriptions of transcendence in the scriptures indicate that the bodily features in Vaikunth-lok are never to be seen in any part of the universe. As there are different bodily features in different places of a particular planet, or as there are different bodily features between bodies in different planets, similarly the bodily features of the inhabitants in Vaikunth-lok are completely different from those in the material universe. For example, the 4 hands are distinct from the 2 hands in this world.